ntse mabota dikgelase monna tšrr ai go feta re tšhentša once and for all monna
a re tšhente next aphande nyuko wena
aiaiaiai
tayithuba dile yaphehlisa ai ngcono ungako
uphande kona
ya ngako
tshona go pakisa monna
mati se ka nrasetsa
tšhei go thusa sheba
okay mati sheme masakete okay mati
ngafuna bosigo yana oretsa hello
Hello, this is Mr. Albertus van Wijngaard. I'm calling you from my office. This is the ASS.
sorry I didn't get that who did you say is calling
This is Mr. van Wijngaard at your service, sir. I am calling you from Arrow Security Services. Your alarm went off. Is something the matter?
oh no it must be a false alarm you guys were there a few days ago you checked it out and found out it was 100%.
Yes, our work is always perfect. We see to it that our customers always remain happy.
I hope it's a false alarm.
It's my job, you know, sir. I have to report all suspicious sounding sounds. Like I said, man, the sound of the alarm is sounding very suspicious to me. That is my worry, and that's the rede. Ach man, ek hoop jy verstaan Afrikaans. Sorry for phoning you at your house.
Thanks for the towel. I'll go and check.
I'll see you there.
Angazi ke le nosi ba. Tshwanetse ke go tsa semong ke equal partners.
Aibo, the neighbors, they've bought new furniture. Tabo.
You guys think I'm made of money, eh?
There's great stuff in this Protea catalog.
So modern and stylish.
Ah, Suga. She knows nothing about quality that lasts a lifetime.
And we can afford more than I thought.
Ooh, I like it. So, how do I look?
Tula. I'm calling the neighbors. Are they going to be jealous? Hello?
Oh, Mom.
Protea, helping smart people enjoy life.
No way. Sister o decided. Start a guy.
o flora rama balance wena man kokomelo ska thuba thula ka re hai
Ka. Le tura di go tsa sister heavy plan. Mo tla mo nthusa ngwenye smart mo. Ngwe. Kuntwa itse man. Attack. Go le sound nyana I top.
ai man mati ska tlo ke tsa gasho man ai o tsure ke sound ya makundi asmart smoholo man wena
Ne man. Ka. Sound e ke motho. Meskin ke mo pofu ngwe.
mati o gasho wena o tshwara le maphofu tla ba interested ka ha o bona re da mo tsere go kilo ha o bona viral a mana o thesha wena alo pa
Yo!
vaya tu. Are vaya tu. Tau kopa. Mati. Wena too much. Warasa man.
Yo, na yo.
Ayo utlwe ke sound ya Matei. Ah, man, a treasure we. Balance. Arva.
Jone tsro go thubile mo se bona le bone le ana mo le one.
Nitharo ke jwa ke bodutu man. Wa nka go tsosa masego fa mala.
Marotsong ka bontlogetse ka para boruko something man. And le teng a ra tshwara next maybe mathaka a amile.
Sa bua thata man. Security atla. Ga no bua ka dithunyang ka rutile go se berekisa.
Wetsa go pisisa. Immediately fela re fetsa tsenya alarm go a thubiwa.
Mona ka wa boeletsa gape.
Hey Marno, go tsididi man. Can't is this what it takes to be an equal partner?
What are you calling?
Bonafa. Fa le gore ga ke equal partner, gore mo sampusetse ga go robala once.
Simon, se bue jalo man. O itse go partner man. Nka dira ntle le wena.
Emro, come on.
Get it gone.
Showcase.
Go tso gore matsitana a sharp was. A tell the gata. Oh yeah, ngwe. Re ka se shaile go tsesi man.
Faka TF we.
Di tlo sharp brain into tsena man. Okay. Tshwara ke.
TF, I did TF. No spice, what's it? Figure.
Are go man, are.
John bona wa tima mabone.
Ah, nka so timu na batho ba ka re thasela mo.
Re tla thaba. Ay, Marwena Marno, Kep no man.
Distributors.
No, no, as far as Mr. Van Gat, we are partners. Van Veen?
Sorry, Mr. Van Weijert. He meant Mr. Van Weijert.
Ooh, julle is die partners. Skies toch maar hoor. Ja, maar doe maar. Let's go in and see what's wrong with the donors and Mensa.
Meneer, the door is locked. Can't you see? Let's go that side.
Partners, right here. Hey, partners! Lay julle flat. Flat, so. Lay julle flat. John, Paul, you missed someone in the box, quick. Open the door and come out with your hands up! Of ons kop die donders 'n keer oop! Die gat! Mag ons inkom! Hey! Stand back for I shoot!
You are right, so no man. Check.
Mag hulle vas! Hey! We'll take them to the police station. You can inquire about them tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock from the Yeovil police station. Just don't touch anything till the police arrive. Okay. Come on, Yusuf. And the one away. Yo. Musanya no can wait you. Get on to what Spanish sauce. Sis. Ukrugu san, ne?
Ja, no skawara kan no.
Kaskawara yourself. Hey, don't squire go back one. Scat na ka fo.
What about? And again.
Every bone in my body, man.
What are you doing here, Mr. Cohen?
Did those guys get away with anything?
How did you know about it?
How long have you been hiding here, and why didn't you call for help?
Well, I didn't want to sort of get involved, you know.
Involved with what?
Security. As well, you know, your new security system. I didn't want to get into the gentleman's way.
Come on, Mr. Cohen. Don't give us that. As far as I remember, you've always managed to interfere in our affairs, one way or the other.
You cheap little crook. You tried to cheat us with our telephone account.
Hey, hold it, Simon. Don't be so emotional, man.
Yes, emotions always affect the weaker side of man's emotions, you know, and I'm sure you wouldn't want to get involved in a nice little lawsuit.
Listen, you don't scare me, you little sissy.
Well, as I said before, you know, I didn't want to really interfere with your security system. I know I should have done something. In fact, I was watching those guys for... In fact... Look, I meant to discuss this with you a long time ago, but I kept on putting it off. Now, look, I can give you an excellent security system. Say for it's in fact the same one that I give to all my tenants. And for a nominal fee of, say, 500 Rand, I could have it installed for you tomorrow.
Mr. Cohen, you're getting nothing from us. And if you touch anything from the crime scene, you'll have to answer to the police.
That's gratitude. I try and give you guys everything, and what do you want? Nothing. What do you want? Blood? No, man.
Let's go, sir.
That's gratitude. That's gratitude for you. What do you want? Blood?
Wait till you get
Jamin ke ngwe. Wa reng?
batho ga go sengwenyana se ka se jang ko
Nna re kolobe wena kgotsa o eng? Ga wa ja breakfast ko gae?
ka nna ke kgone go ja mo mesong
Wa iketsisa. Kana wena o rata go nna o ntse o tlhafuna. Ke phakela ke mantsiboa ke neng go tshwana fela mo go wena.
okay I was beautiful kana ga ke iketsise alright ge mphe rantanyana ke tla ithekela plate ko taxi rank
Hey wena, ya ko kitcheneng wa go lebela gongwe ka kry-a di-chips
di-chips
tse di omileng le tsone.
Hola, sir. Color in from. I'm Mutogani. What do I find in the office?
Partners Distributors, hello?
Hello, Beauty. Did you
Hi, John.
phone ke le mo police station. Go tubile mabane ko storeroom. Go ska tshwara sepe especially child.
Hi, wena. Neng, o ra gore alamo yona e ne timile.
Whatever. Nka se khona go tlhalosa yano. Ta tlhalosetsa later fa ke fitla go office.
Wa go bua ka nako mang?
A ke tse re tlo go tla ka nako mang. Nna le sa mone tshwanetse go fana ka bopaki. Bona, change appointment ya me le Mr. Kiorapetse for 3 p.m.
Ke tla dira jalo. Wait, Mara, John.
Beauty, Siana.
Okay, take care.
Morning, Gogo.
Yeah, what's up, boy?
Now, you're looking very nice today. You're looking smart and everything.
Awusugogo. Igama lami uMatha. Matha Sibeko. Yabo uthi ungijwayela kabi.
Mina apply with
Angisekho la kuleso sikodlwana sakho.
Skulu. Tell the Gogo I'm not a bad person. I'm a nice person. I'm good to all my people. Why she wants to fight with me now?
Yebo makhulu kubasa. Hawu kwenze njani kambe namhlanje? Wagqoka kahle wamuhle futhi inkosikazi.
Yabona yini isikhulu? Awutshela umuntu ungahlukane nami uyangithola ukuthi ngithini. Angisingane phela mina. Uyangithola? Ngiyabona ukuthi seyangiphaphela.
Mana ngodlame nkosikazi. Umakhulu basi akalwi nawe. Into nje ufuna ukukunceda. Makhulu basi, konje bowuthini?
That's nothing much. I just wanted to know if she doesn't like working here anymore. She can always come and work over at my office. Is it safe for her to work here?
Nina izwandla. Anihlukane nami ningakhulumi ngami ngiyangithola ukuthi ngithini. Ngizoliphoxa phela ngoba ngizomemeza. Ngoze ngibize namaphoyisa.
Uzomemeza amaphoyisa ngoba kwenze njani? Ngoba umakhulu basi akalwi nawe. Ufuna ukukunceda ngoba ubona ukuthi kungcono ukusebenza kuyena kunalabo otsotsi laba bakulela phela.
Ngiyabona nobabini nitakiwe niyabona. Nitakiwe ngempela. Angizwani negebengu ngiyangithola kahle. So nali isu elingcono. Hamba nodlala nentaka zenu. Ihlukane nami.
Never mind. I was just trying to see if she knew about last night.
Last night?
It's nothing, Skulu. But listen, you must keep an eye on these partners, fellas. I don't want any tsotsis and skabengas in this building. Oh, by the way, when did they install that alarm system?
Athi angazi makhulu basi. Kodwa ngibona abantu kuthanga besebenza lapha. Angazi bebenza umsebenzi muni.
All right, Skulu. Sebenza muhle, ne? Okay, lungile, baba.
Ngiyabonga Nkosi yami. Yeah.
Hey, what a night. I mean morning. Where's your garden uncle or Robert, right?
Lena fela yalo. Fela nka go gym ga ikopolla ganyana itse.
Hey, both are investigating officer thing. E kae? I mean, o dira re fitla fa ka 8 mara nayo.
ek julle help?
Good morning. My name is John Tumelo.
I'm Simon Mwati.
We're from Partners Distributors Incorporated. We're here to see the investigating officer regarding the burglary that happened last night.
Well, let me get the docket. Here it is. Let's see what is cooking here.
Tea time, lady. Madam, nice cup of tea for yourself. Beautiful. Of course, for myself.
Charlie, our time, ke breakfast day. Gona tiro tshwantseng o ile.
Mama. Kala, monna tshwantse a fitlhela pele a ya kwa tirong.
And bona fa wena. John o ntse a founile a re ba thubile ka ko storeroomong re se ka tsena pele go fitlha mapodisi.
Boxer, wait. What's going on? Don't call him, man. Wait. Don't come to me. I'm going to
nna fa le go gotla ko wena.
What's going on? Don't call him too. What's going on? I'm going to ka ke tella ke mosadi ya ka wena so wait. Don't call him.
Nenzani?
Koko, kalmela motho wait. O bua le nna ya karata.
You to menzani Charlie?
So se sa tsenwa se mme Martha. Ke ne ke mo kgalemela gore a se ka tsena ko storeroomong. Ke ga simolola go lwana fela jana.
A ke batla go tsama boxer.
Walelane e-storeroom. Go bosebenza khona.
Wait ke mme Martha. Wena ga o tlhaloganye. John o rile go thubilwe ka kwale a se ka tsena pele mapodisa a fitlha.
Koko, dilo tse di thubile ka ko wait. Ebile o mpolelela gore go se ka Koko.
Wa bona ga se tla kgona go re irile. Bona go tsama metsi man. E tla le metsi.
Yo, ke tshegile. Bolo.